Hi guys, this is Raj Sharma. Friends, we are studying a new series. The different type of the problems, practical problems you face in the project, and the different type of solution we will discuss in this video. Before we start the practical, first of all we check the data what we have. We have a table that is the transaction. In this table we have the customer ID, transaction amount and the transaction date. And we have the different type of transaction done by the client, say client 1001 and 1002. So there are different type of transaction done by the client on the different dates. And now what we do, what is our problem? We have to calculate the percentage or the ratio of the other transaction comparatively maximum transaction done by each and every client. Now we check it in details. This is the table. So first client is the 101 and there are 4 transactions for this client, say 10,000, 15,000, 80,000, 20,000. Now we have to calculate what are the percentage of the 10,000 comparatively to the 80,000, because 80,000 is the maximum transaction done by this client. Another client 1002, that is the 22,000. Then we have to check the ratio for the 7,000 and 15,000 comparatively to the 22,000. So this kind of calculation or this kind of result we have to print. Now we can solve this problem by doing the inner join with the subquery, and secondly CTE, common table expression. Now we check the practical. First of all we check the table. So we created, and this is our table: customer ID, transaction amount and transaction date. Now as we discussed, our problem can be solved with the two ways, using the inner join with the subquery and then CTE. First of all we will check with the inner join subquery. So already I have a query, so just for saving the time I have typed this query already. So in main query we have the select a customer ID. We have two alias from the same table, A and B. In the main table we have the customer ID, transaction amount, and this is the calculated column. Transaction amount divided by the maximum amount. Maximum amount, this is coming from this subquery, and this subquery is returning a table, and then we are joining that table with the help of the inner join. If we check this statement and execute, then we have this data for 1001 maximum amount 80,000, for 1002 maximum amount 22,000. So the subquery is returning a table with the maximum amount for the all the clients, because we are using the group by customer ID. Then we are joining the table on the same column, customer ID, because now we have the two copy of the transaction table and we have the alias A and B. So if I execute this whole query, so this is the result. This value 10,000, 80,000. So 10,000 is divided by the 80,000. This is the ratio. Then 50,000 is divided by the 80,000 and the same other values. So this is the ratio comparatively maximum value for the each and every client. Suppose you want to calculate the percentage, then simply multiply by 100, then concate and percentage sign. So you can see now we have the percentage rather than ratio. So 12.5% 10,000 is the percentage of the 80,000. Then another 18.75 is the percentage of the 80,000, and the same calculation for the other client. So this is how we can use the subquery with the inner join. Now we understand this one with this diagram. So as we discussed, we are creating two tables from one table. with the help of the alias A and B. So in the table A, we have the main details, and the other table B, we have the maximum amount for each client. So all the rows in the table A executes one by one, and every time it is joined with the table B and then fetch the maximum amount for a particular customer ID. So this is how we can solve the problem by the help of the inner join and the subquery. Now we check how to solve this problem with the help of the CTE. So now we have the query for the CTE. So we are using the two CTE, CTE1, and the CTE starts always with the with statement, and then we have the list of the columns for creating this CTE, and this is our query. In second CTE, we are customer ID and maximum amount. We are creating two columns. Then we are using the query for creating the maximum amount for each and every client, because we are using the group customer ID. This is same as like we were using in the subquery. Now this section create two result sets, CTE and CTE2. Then we use this query, and we are using the inner join. This is the same as we used in the previously, but the difference is this time we have the temporary result sets in the form of the CTE and CTE2. So we are joining the two result sets in the form of the table on the basis of the customer ID. Now we execute this one. So this is the result. We have the same result. So this is how you can solve this problem by using the inner join subquery and the CTE. CTE is better in the context of the speed. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.